Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Before we get started with the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on this video. Now today we're going to be making some peanut butter stuffed brownies. If you like chocolate and peanut butter, you will love this recipe. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and go ahead and get your 12 count muffin tins ready. I went ahead and put liners in mine and I sprayed them. Now you're going to have 12 Reese peanut butter cups and you're going to have 12 different squares of cookie dough, and then you're going to have a brownie mix, and then you're going to just make it according to the directions. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And on the brownie mix, you're only going to use a 10 ounce because we're going to be putting them in these muffin tins, and so it's not going to make, you know, like a family size. All right, let's get this mixed up. I love peanut butter and chocolate together, so this is a delicious recipe. It's very rich, but very, very good. All right, like I said, you just want to get your brownie mix mixed up. And you can have a really good dessert in less than 30 minutes because it just takes a few minutes to prep it and not a long time in your oven. Okay, got the brownie mix mixed up. Now we're going to set this over to the side. You're going to take your muffin tins and you're going to take each one of your squares of your dough. Now if you buy the tube dough, you're just going to make sure you do it into 12 equal parts. And then you're just going to smash the cookie dough down inside the tin, like so. And if you don't have the liners, that's fine. Just make sure you grease your muffin pans fairly good so they don't stick. All right, then what you're going to do is you're going to put your Reese cup upside down in each one, like so. And then we're going to top it with our brownie. All right, and you're going to have these about 90% full, so when they bake, it'll all bake in together. All right, let's go ahead and do these next ones. These look great already. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my combination here, and I'm going to get it in the oven. Now you're going to want to go ahead and bake these between 18 and 20 minutes or until the brownie mix comes out good. So I'm going to finish this up and then we'll come back and we'll show you how they look. Okay y'all, as you can see, we've got our peanut butter stuffed brownies out of the oven and they smell delicious. You just need to let them cool down about 5 minutes or so before you actually serve them. But I would recommend eating them while they are still warm. They'll be really rich and gooey. Anyway, I hope y'all will like this recipe and try it. And please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notifications for upcoming videos. I try to post every week, so y'all don't want to miss out on any of those. I hope that y'all have a great day, and thank y'all so much for watching.